Hey everybody, alrighty, so this is the finished Lian Li T60 test bench. I've already installed the power supply, Mushkin Joule 120 1200 watt, and DVD burner, Western Digital, but just wanted to see it, its finished look. It's pretty stylish, and it has a lot of brackets to install optical drives. It has two, one here and another one here, and this one here is for SSDs. You can install up to two, and the design just looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it has motherboard on it. I'm gonna use this as a 24/7 test rig or test bench also, so I'm gonna have an i7 on it, and here is the motherboard I'm gonna install on it. It's an MSI X58M, so you guys can see how the whole test bench looks once all the components are installed.